Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. This is how to blur background in TinyWow. So first thing is just simply go to tinywow.com and this will be their homepage, guys. And now from here, just simply scroll down a little bit and you should be able to see here all of the tools they have. So to narrow down, just simply select image tools over here. And now you could also select all image tools to select all or to see all of the features that they have. Now from here, guys, if you scroll down, you should be able to see here blur background tool. So click on this feature or tool that they have. So just simply upload a file over here, or you could just simply drag and drop the files. So I have a files over here, a sample picture. And now, as you can see, it will do the work for us. I just simply wait for it to be processed. And now, as you can see, I have a picture of a pencil and we could adjust the blur depending on our choice. And pretty much, as you can see, you should be able to blur it out and select blur over here to finalize it. And you should be able to download it. So guys, for my case, it has a slight difference or changes because my background is white. But if you have a unique background, you should be able to use this feature. There you go. See ya.